Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back. Here's our second video of unboxing. Hope y'all enjoy. A layout's a layout, but a layout never comes to life unless you get buildings and people and scenery and trees. In the last video we talked about the airbrushing. That's what this is for. Airbrushing. We're gonna unbox this City and Industry. You picked this up off of Amazon, eBay. I think we got this off of eBay. This is actual the kit that comes with the Woodland Scenics Grand Valley. And this thing has 15 buildings, more than 200 detailed accessories, more than 130 colorful dry transfer decals. So we can do our signs and stuff on the buildings, windows, instructions and sample street plan included, so it kind of give you an idea where to set everything out on the layout itself. And like I said, it's complements of Grand Valley layout kit or use with any HO scale layout. Guys, whether you're building a Grand Valley or not, River Pass, your own, I think this is a great buy for the money. I'm not going to talk about money, how much I paid for it, but you can get it for under $300. I can tell you that. You go to your near hobby store and you try to buy one building at a time, whether it's completed or not completed. Time you get 15 buildings, I promise you, you're going to spend more than $300. So why not do it yourself and have more fun? This layout is not intended to be done overnight. This is a hobby that you take time, patience with. We got the rock ballast back here. Rock ballast, plaster. They're still curing. So I figure I sit down and go over this with you. So instead of boring you to death, talking you to death, let's open this box. Are you ready? Let's go for it. Show you the back of the box. Gives you a detailed picture of all 15 buildings. One big picture of everything that's in the box. So if you want to get an idea how you want your buildings to look. Now, the buildings don't look like this in the box. They're pretty much plain Jane white or kind of a beigeish color. Some of them are a little tan, some of them are a little brown. But to get these unique colors with the green and the brown or orangish with the gray, all that, you got to paint it yourself. So that's what we're going to do. We're only going to do one building at a time. Each time we get a building done, we'll start a new building. We're not going to start a building and not finish a building. We're going to finish one at a time. Whichever one that opens up first. I reach in the box, we'll pull out a building, we go to work. And we're going to do a series on actually doing the buildings. Like I said, I'm not a professional. Please do not think for one minute I'm a professional. I do the things the way I do the things, and I hold no responsibility for anything that happens to yours. I just tell you what I think and what I know and what I'm learning. So let's get this thing going. So far with everything Woodland Scenics, I've been pretty pleased. Packaging and the buildings and everything. So here we have it. I'm going to bring everything out, just kind of show it to the camera up close and set it to the side. Here we have some billboard. Now these are cut out, so they'll be glued on. Then we have wet decals. All kinds of goodies on there. Feel free to pause the video if you want to see anything. Not sure what that is. I'm sure it has importance though. Construction paper. Now this is for like blacking out the inside of your building. Here's your road plan set your buildings and everything on. It tells you which building goes where on their layout. Mix it up if you want to. Not sure? We're going to set it to the side. Building number 1. This is a Grand Valley Hotel, number GV9. You see it's tan, but now them windows and stuff, you don't want just a tan building, you want to trim it up. I mean, you think, but build a house, just make it one color. No, you trim it up. It has all kind of little gadgets in here, a little chimney and floors and walls. So we'll set that to the side. Here's the general store. Once again, a little tannish color. The grand house. It's got some little picket fence around. I wonder if that comes in here with it too. Let's see. Don't see no picket fence, but it might be in a different bag or something. We'll see. Post office. Bet you they was a lot better than that back then than they are nowadays. The Valley Apartments. So that's a small apartment building. We have the Railway Express Agency. The Corner Pharmacy. There's Duke's little shop, I don't know. Let's see. Paint warehouse. That's what it says on the sign there. Here's a little cottage. Decor. We got it all in here. We got propane tanks and barrels and little peoples and I don't know, looks like, yeah, there's some fencing in there. Now this is all metal. This is die cast. It's all die cast, so you'll have to trim it up, smooth it up. When you die cast, it's rough. So when we get to that point, we'll show you how to trim all that up, smooth it up. It's like some type of sidewalks up in there. We're not going to unwrap this till it's time because we don't want them things to break. Just some shipping stuff. Keep it from sliding around so much. Here we go, more buildings. Jansen Brothers. Looks like a little mechanic shop. Not sure what that is yet. We'll figure it out though. There's some more plaster stuff. It's like platform or something, like maybe one of the buildings or two go on. We'll set that to the side. Alright, Woody's Custom Cabinet Shop. Rhodes Wholesale Tire. We got buildings going everywhere. Bank and Trust. Well, we'll call it a bank. I'll leave out the trust. I'm always making jokes. Yeah, can't live without Granny's Cafe now, can we? Gotta get us some of them good old gravy biscuits and sausage. And there it is, the Grand Valley Depot. I do have another depot we picked up, purchased, but we'll look at them. it was already put together by somebody else. I know I paid around 25, 30 bucks for it, so that's what I'm saying. Go ahead and get these things put together for you. You're gonna pay up for it. And I do see a couple pieces of metal rod here. I'm not sure what they're for. We're gonna leave them in the box. Don't want to lose them. But anyway, there you have it, the box. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you do, continue liking and subscribing. And until then, keep modeling railroading. Bye bye.